What's up, guys? Hey, I just wanted to make a quick little video about my Mytee Lite extractor. One of the only things I've really been encountering, as you can see right here, you see this nice little mess right here, covered in duct tape. That is because this lid, cap, it sprung a leak, and I honestly thought that maybe I could make something work out of a bottle or something, but that wasn't the case. So you look right here, it just split. Just over time, I guess these things just wear out. I actually had a heck of a time tracking this thing down. Of course, somebody's now banging on their house next door. But anyway, I had a heck of a time trying to track down this part. I actually contacted Mytee directly, Mytee, whatever. I contacted them directly and had them help me do a parts search and figure out how to get these. So I'm just gonna try to make it a little easier on you guys in case somebody comes across this as an issue, because I did. So I'm assuming it's pretty popular. So because these are a unique size, I couldn't really find one to fit. Maybe some of you guys have had this happen and found a lid that fits, but I did not. So let me show you what I did. These are the new caps. I just got them. They were like $1 a piece. The lady recommended that I order a few, which obviously makes sense, so that in case it happens again. Now, one of the reasons behind this is Amazon doesn't sell them. I couldn't find them under any other website other than directly through them. There's the part number right there, the H846B. That's the part number. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to their website, and then you're going to type in under a part number, you're going to type this part number in right here, and then it'll take you directly to this cap. Order a few of them just like I did if I were you. Now let me tell you why. Shipping was almost 18 bucks. Yeah, $18. It was like 17 something. But anyway, for these, like, what the heck? That's because they send them via UPS. That was the cheapest option. They had one of the options was like $37. I couldn't even believe it. So anyway, I just had them. That's another reason why you should order several of them so you don't have to do this again. This cap lasted like 2 years. I've had this machine 2 years, so that kind of tells you I shouldn't have to go through all 4 of these, but I have them in case I need them. So anyway, quick little thing. That way you guys can find that part number right there in case you're searching for that cap. So anyway, other than that, this machine has been fantastic. As I have several reviews of it. I'll put a little link at the end of this video to my review of this machine in particular. But anyway, guys, hope to catch you guys on the next one. Click that little subscribe button. All right, thanks. Peace.